What was NATO's proposed uniform military spending ratio to support Ukraine? The answer reveals how member countries pledged to balance strength and solidarity in an unprecedented move. You might be surprised how this ratio reflects the alliance's commitment to Ukraine's defense. NATO has long encouraged its members to spend at least 2% of their gross domestic product on defense. This benchmark became even more significant with the conflict in Ukraine, as the alliance sought a unified approach to support Ukraine's security. The 2% ratio is not just a number. It symbolizes shared responsibility and readiness to face current threats. Countries meeting or exceeding this target demonstrate their commitment to collective defense, which is crucial as NATO stands with Ukraine in a challenging geopolitical landscape. Why is this 2% figure so important for Ukraine? It directly translates into resources for military aid, training, and equipment that NATO members provide. By pushing for a uniform spending ratio, NATO ensures no country lags behind, maintaining a credible deterrent against aggression. This unified financial commitment allows Ukraine to receive consistent support while reinforcing NATO's collective defense posture. It is a clear message that the alliance stands firmly behind Ukraine, ready to counter threats with strength and solidarity. Although the 2% spending ratio is the goal, not every NATO member reached it at once. Some countries had to ramp up their military budgets, sometimes facing political and economic hurdles. However, since the proposal's emphasis during the Ukraine crisis, many members accelerated their defense spending plans. This progress highlights how NATO's proposed uniform ratio acted as a catalyst, pushing countries to strengthen their militaries and contribute more meaningfully to collective security. The drive toward this target reflects a broader shift toward readiness in a volatile world. NATO's proposed uniform military spending ratio of 2% of GDP is more than a target. It's a statement of solidarity and shared responsibility. It underpins the alliance's ability to support Ukraine effectively while strengthening collective defense. This commitment shows how military spending shapes global security today. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.